I won't say it.
Say it. Give us the truth.
No, you're good. Shoot.
My favorite tool and use of gym equipment is definitely the kettlebells. I am the quote-unquote kettlebell queen around here. Get nice and close, circle up. This is also going to be my official introduction. I know you've just been seeing a random person walk around. I am a coach here. I'm actually, yeah, almost. Very good. But yes, I'm also one of the coaches here, and I'm super excited to work with you. This is a perfect introduction because kettlebells are my fave, which I hope my goal by the time we are done today is that you will at least understand them a little bit better if you've had any experience with them, and maybe you'll love them too. So let's get started. If I was to describe UHP to somebody who's never heard of it before, I would describe it as a space that is full of possibility and full of purpose. Every single person and piece of this campus and organization is a part of something that is much bigger and deeper than you could ever imagine before you get onto campus. And it might seem a little woo-woo, but there's just a feeling when you're on campus of togetherness and growth and a lot of vision and possibility. Pay attention to and notice as we go through. We're gonna go through a handful of different movements, kind of rapid fire, progressively. With the kettlebell, you want to crowd yourself with this bell, so stand over it. I'm going to slice my hips. This just helps cue going into a nice hip hinge. My arms are going to be straight down. Try to break it in half. That's gonna lock my lats in, and then I'm going to push the floor away to stand. Beautiful, so we're just gonna go through each of these. Even if it's only get over the bell so it's not out in front of you. Beautiful. I've been here throughout 2025, but officially since the beginning of December. Should I just tell my whole story?
Yeah,
Really quick? Okay, yeah. My first experience of UHP was coming here for a retreat, a kettlebell workshop that was only 4 days, and I remember arriving enamored, asking a million questions and annoying the staff, and leaving with this urge to want to be here again. Naturally, I reached out and really just wanted to be a part of the organization any way I could and just serve and be a part of the growth for other coaches. I was able to come back as a guest coach that following September, in which my intention was to just show up and share my knowledge and love for this craft. And to be a part of something that is bigger and full of purpose. That led into an opportunity to step in full-time. Now I get to be a big part of running the certified personal training course and the amazing team that goes along with that course. So we're gonna go deadlift, gunslinger, clean, press. Here we go. Pull down, set it down nicely. Stand up, yes. Hug your elbows.
Intentionally breathe. If it sounds dramatic, then it's probably a good breath. All right.
In my perspective, success for a UHP student would be coming in, probably having a lot of questions, uncertainty, maybe even lack of confidence, and leaving excited, full of confidence, and ready to take on things that might have felt really intimidating before they came here. And yes, you're just way too strong. Got the tools and insight on how to do what excites them and how to evolve their craft and skill set.